Uzodinma bombardment in Imo State is ongoing as we are speaking. They say the governor will be Hope Uzodinma don dey destroy the villages for inside Imo State. No be small thing, no things are happening. They say the former governor of Rivers State now will be minister for inside Abuja FCT. Will be Nyesia Wike. They say the man don't go join court to no be small thing as they see him for there. Things are really happening. They say the sit-at-home resort is fully out in Enugu, which is we will talk about them later. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people know things are really happening. If you know say you never subscribe to this particular channel, I don't know what you dey wait to. May you go subscribe and turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get them. Your bell will just notify you immediately. And also follow our Facebook page and Twitter handle as well. We dey everywhere. They bring them back to back to you. Let's go and look into the øngøing news where we get for hand today. They say the governor will be Hope Uzodinma don start the bomb Imo State again as usual. You know, saying oh na to Abuja, may they bring a bomb come bomb the own people. Because any house where they dey up site, that house dey for suspects. We go play you the video before we come back, come talk more about the place where this thing dey happen as we dey talk. Hello, my wonderful people. You are highly welcome back as you don't watch that video and see how these villages will become a homeless from this night. The result and action of the governor ordering the military to use the Tucano fighter jet to bomb people in this particular area. As you can see, this is a village. Here is never been hideout of any terrorists or ESN or Biafra Liberation Army. The people who are living around this place are there. They are watching. You can see that this is a resident or someone's resident. And these people have become homeless today caused by Hope Uzodinma. Because there's no how a Tucano fighter jet will come to your state you are governing and start bombing without your notice. So, as you can see, the owner of this house by now will be crying and shedding tears as they have rendered them homeless. Let's read that what Simon Ekwa will be the PM, Biafra government in exile, said about this incident that happened in Imo State. He said, breaking, Hope Uzodinma using Tucano to bomb Imo State. This is a place called Akata. He is bombing the village. I am ordering all Biafra force to look for anything belonging to Hope Uzodinma in Biafra land. Come back with offensive information about anything, hotel, gas station, or wherever that Hope Uzodinma have any access in Biafra land must be bring down. This order have been given by Simon Ekpa, the Biafra government in exile, ordering the Biafra Liberation Army, ESN, and other force to make sure that they bring down anything that concerns or any business that owned by Hope Uzodinma in Imo State, to bring it down with immediate effect, said by Simon Ekpa. My people, things are really happening in Biafra land. Let's go and look into the øngøing news where we still get for hand today. Later we'll come back, come still talk more about all these ones. The information where they reach our hand, they say that the governor, the former governor of Rivers State now, which is the minister for FCT, will be Nyesia Wike. They say the man don't go join court to no be decent, no be small thing. They say the former governor of Rivers State, Nyesia Wike, currently a minister of FCT, Nyesia Wike and Justice Tsunami, exchanging their courtesan handshake in the Nigeria Appeal Court building. This is a country the most of you think that it is going to be good one day, with the top government officials displaying their courtesan membership in a government. I tell you, say Nigeria, Otilo, Nigeria, Otilo. Hey, no be small thing, no. Nigeria don't jackpot, and I think say na joke, because things that happen in this country is a very heavy signal to every one of us, but actually it's happening before our eyes. Koro. No be small thing, no. Let's go and look into the next øngøing news where we get for hand today. Things are really happening. They say the handwork of sit at home is displaying in Enugu, and if it is not sit at home, by now we'll be counting how many people that died in Enugu yesterday. We are going to play you a video of the bridge collapsed in Enugu. When people come outside to talk that the government, the federal government, has no interest of building Southeast to the standard, as they are rebuilding their own state. If people think that people are saying lies, or they're trying to carry out the propaganda, but the road are displaying. Last time one caught, this time again this one collapsed, and more are under red alert. This is happening before our eyes. So how many governors from the Southeast have come outside to spoke of this thing that's going on? They will not come outside to talk. Is to go and rendition Nnamdi Kanu and have to kidnap Simon Ekpa and other activities. Have to, anybody who come outside to talk, have to clamp that person down, so that their evil perpetrator to the people will keep on going. Let's play the video before we come back and talk more about their impunity and their atrocities they are committing to in the land, in the holy land of Biafra.
Good afternoon, everyone. This video you are about watching is an incident that just happened in Enugu today, being 25th September. This particular incident happened at New Artisan area. If you are in Enugu, you would know where is New Artisan area. This is Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. Immediately they fly over, you will see here, so you can see what is happening. This is a very sad story, but as God may have it, there was no casualty. That is the good news. There was no casualty, but this particular thing is worth thanking God for, and it involved only one car, because today was sit at home. If not that today was sit at home,
Welcome back, my people. As I've watched that video and see what is going on in our land, that is no longer a story. We uploaded some videos last week, yeah. The one that also happened, which is that one totally collapsed. It cut into two, but this one now is a bridge. And there's so many roads like this in Southeast that under red alert. However, we thank God that sit at home save people. When they ask them to sit at home, these people will kill you in any way. They say no. the sit at home result is displaying. Thank God there's no casualty, but is when you have bad leaders. Bad leaders. Do you know, I wish that I can bring you updates of what is happening outside country, as well as show you one bridge. Just that the bridge is cracking. Immediately they ban that bridge. No car can pass that bridge. Not that they banned it, they just ban the bridge and they start working immediately to make sure that they save life. They save. Maybe they don't need anything like accident to occur in that road, because who is in charge will go to prison if anything happen. A lawless country where governor will do anything and go scot-free. Everyone will do anything and go scot-free. So even the people who build this road, if this kind of thing happen in abroad, immediately the company that build it will come and answer question. So when the company cut deal with the government officials, so who will answer the question? Anybody that died there, your name is Sarah, you have gone. So not be small thing. Things are really happening. Share this video and also subscribe to this channel. Very important. Stay tuned. We are bringing you back-to-back update. I see they happen. Now with the carry them, they come. Our update full table, they finish. Anywhere where they happen, they there. We're gonna bring you update back to back. May you stay tuned.